everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make these icicle-inspired spiral ornaments. Let's get started. For this tutorial, you are going to need to cut 3 4mm ropes about 45 inches long. You're also going to need to cut 1 hemp cord or twine or just a small string about 10 inches long. Other than this, you're also going to need 1 bead of your choice and a comb to brush out the fringe at the end if you desire. Our first step is to fold each of our ropes evenly in half and attach it to our hemp cord with a lark's head knot. So all I do is take that folded half over the hemp, send it around. You'll notice this nice loop right behind where you can pull the remaining 2 ends through that loop and pull it tight. And just repeat this with your remaining 2 ropes. Once you have all 3 ropes attached to your hemp cord, we're going to take the 2 ends of that cord and slide them onto our bead. Just like that. Now separate your ropes into 3 sections of 2. Using these sections, we will begin tying the spiral knot. To do this, I'm going to take the grouping here on the right and cross it over the 2 ropes in the middle to form a loop. Then I'm going to take the side on the left to go over those right ropes. They go behind the 2 in the middle and up through the loop. And then I just pull that nice and tight. And then, to make this my spiral knot, I just repeat these exact same steps. So once again, the right side crosses over the 2 in the middle. The left ropes go over the right, behind the 2 in the middle, and up through the loop. And I just pull that nice and tight. Keep repeating this knot until it is the desired length. Once you have made your little spiral knot the desired length, it's time to trim your ends off to make them even and also to the desired length, where we can then brush out our fringe. Just like that. Now my final step is to just connect these 2 little cords up here so that we have a loop that I can hang my new ornament from. So I'm just going to hold them together and tie an overhand knot. And now I can trim off the remaining ends sticking up from my overhand knot. And my Christmas ornament is finished. I love the design of this. It's very simple but beautiful, and it reminds me of an icicle which is why I like it so much. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.